is Sophie, a French girl from Dominican Life. Today, we are in Puerto Plata. I'm going to show you a brand new 3-bedroom house in a residential in a city of Puerto Plata. So come with me and have a look. So like you can see, this is a brand new house, very spacious, very nice inside, nice wood for the cabinet, for the kitchen. So all you need is bring all your furniture, all your decoration, and you will have a very nice house, a great location, residential with security, right in the city of Puerto Plata. So if you need more information, just click the video, subscribe, share, and like.